Maintain for 1.54063.
I do.
Sounds like a word.
The adhesive armor. How would you ever have figured that out? The Mustangs that were being built here in America. So mass production techniques were here's Mad Max right over there. So that is the sound of the Merlin engine. Rolls-Royce designed, but not Rolls-Royce built, because the British built their Rolls-Royce engines one at a time. And that means the parts weren't always quite interchangeable. So guess what they did? They came to Merlin. Yes, indeed. Mustangs that were built, and altogether, a total of 56,000 of them was Detroit's own Packard Motor Company.
Isn't that fabulous?
Go Detroit. Go Detroit, that's right. And then they weren't all just, everything wasn't just manufactured by Packard, because they even needed subcontractors. And I have seen on one of the Rolls-Royce, one of the Packard buildings. That I never expected to see. And that name was Maytag, the same company that makes washers and dryers. They participated in the war effort as well. Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah, it really is. Now, how do they get parts for these aircraft? Right? The engines are old. How do they get?
Sometimes it's new old stock, sometimes it's they have to fabricate stuff for them specifically. And if we can get Scooter Yoke up here a little later on, if we can get him back up here, it'd be interesting to talk about it because he knows intimately all of that stuff.
Great.
Let's listen. Here comes Lou Horschel again. You're changing the power, you're changing the elevator, you're changing the rudder, you're changing the
P-51 Mustangs to help them out so they wouldn't get shot down so readily.
Victor.